Hey everyone, just a quick clip of a visual approach into San Jose. I picked up the recently released GoPro 10, which is a massive upgrade from my GoPro 4 dated 2014. After a few days of playing with the settings, I think I've got it nailed down. This clip is nothing really unique, just a long straight-in approach to runway 30 left. The video is rendered in 4K at 60 frames per second, so find a playback setting that works for you. Two things to add: we were flying toward the sun, which did not help with the lighting quality of the cockpit. Also, the camera's GPS signal was not solid enough to display the telemetry due to the camera being inside the aircraft. Anywho, enjoy the flight and ATC comms.
Still looking at him for skies 3461. Contact San Jose Tower 124.0. Retire. You on the visual 30 left. San Jose Tower, following a Bonanza short final, runway 30 left, cleared to land. Cleared to land 30 left.
Clear to land 30 left.
Skies 3807, turn right at Juliet, cross runway 30 right, contact ground.
Right turn Juliet, quarter cross 30 right, over to ground, skies 3807. Flaps approach. Speed checks. Flaps looks approach. Indicate approach. Gear down before landing check. Ending gear. Down 3 green. Landing and taxi lights are on. Flaps are approach set and indicated. Props.
Bonanza 9er, Quebec, turn left at Delta, contact ground.
Radar terrain.
Left Delta, go on to ground,
It is
379 Quebec.
Environmental bleed air. It's low. Service de-ice. Not required, off. Standing by flops, autopilot, yaw damper. Flaps down. 6, flap suction down. Flaps down, indicate down. That's me, yaw damp to go. Alright.
$500.
San Jose, Skies 3461, we're about a 8-mile final for 30 left. Skies 3461, San Jose Tower, traffic King Air short final, runway 30 left, cleared to land. Cleared to land 30 left, Skies 3461.
Checklist complete all the way through. Cleared to land, gear and flaps. Everything looks good. Side slopes inhibited. Plus 14
200.
down 6.
Minimums.
Plus 10 down 6.
100.
Plus 4 down 6.
50. 40. 30.
Ref down
20.
5.
10.
Ref. $60 knots.
Turn left at Golf, contact ground.